guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. Hopefully this video has a little bit more energy than my last one. I explained as to why I was going to be absent, I guess you can say, for a little while, and it seems to be going a little bit better with my inner self and whatever, but we're still in the process, so we'll see. If you guys want an update on that, then I can surely make a video. I'm like losing my voice. This video is going to be consisting of my hair and how to get a slick back ponytail that looks flawless. I literally just took a shower 2 hours ago-ish. My hair is halfway dry. I didn't really put any products in it or anything, just because I don't want it to curl as much as usual, because I really want that slick back look effect. Does that make sense? All I did when I got out of the shower was I took this paddle brush and I just brushed my hair back so that when it dried, it would dry back and wouldn't have like a line or a crease or anything, because we're trying to get that soft look as well, and no lumps, bumps, or anything going on in this area or section of the head. So now what you're gonna do is use a, I guess this is called a soft bristle. I don't even know what this brush is called, but it looks like this. You can get it at your local hair beauty supply store, as well as the hair that we're using today to get that long ponytail. This was literally only $15 at my local beauty supply store, and it was actually pretty long. I'm not even gonna lie. Let me tell you how long this was. It doesn't say, but it was literally going up to my butt, and I had to cut it I had to cut off probably 4 inches, just because it didn't really look that realistic, and I didn't really want my hair to be that long just because it was getting heavy and whatnot. So anyways, you can get this hair for pretty cheap, and then you just get your hair color, and yeah, so we'll talk about that a little later as well. But what we're gonna do is take this brush, I don't know what you call that, but we're kind of just gonna brush back the hair, and this brush actually makes your hair super soft, so it just feels so nice. Okay. Okay, what you're gonna do next, you're gonna grab some type of gel. I just used like the Echo Professional Styling Gel. It's for all hair types. It's alcohol free, so it's good for the hair, and it's not gonna leave any damage or anything. And to be honest, frankly, I think that it actually helped my hair grow, because I use it so often for my edges and stuff, and I've seen a big difference. So I don't know if I'm just seeing things or what, but to me, it actually helps my hair grow. I don't know. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit on my fingertips like that, and I'm gonna rub it in my 2 hands, and I'm just going to put it on my hair. And I'm also gonna do the back of my head, so grab a little bit more, flip your hair back, and put some behind your head, behind your ears, on the sides, everywhere, just so you can get all those flyaways and your hair will be sleek. Okay, so once you're done applying the gel, you're gonna take the brush. I'm gonna call it a bristle brush. I don't know if it's actually called that, but I'm just gonna call it that. I'm going to take it and go over the gel. Then I'm slowly gonna gather my hair into a ponytail. This part is totally up to you how high you want your ponytail to be. I kind of want it in the middle. I don't want it too high, but I don't want it too low as well. So I'm just gonna gather all my hair, take the brush, and kind of pull on my hair at the same time as I'm brushing it, to kind of make that sleek kind of look. And you're just gonna keep brushing until you see no bumps, and that's including the back as well and the sides. So now that I've done that, there's still a little bit of a bump here, but I'll fix it after with a different kind of little brush. What you're gonna do is just make a little bun here, so that's where the hair is going to attach to your head, if that makes sense. So you just make a small little bun. The smaller the bun, the better. The more tight it is, the better. The more intact it is, the better. So try not to make it too messy. If you still have little bumps and lumps and stuff, don't worry. Use one of these brushes. I know it's kind of gross, it's full of gel and stuff, but anyways, you can get this also at your local beauty hair supply store, and it's literally like $1 or $2, so it's very cheap. You're gonna take your gel and put your brush in the gel here and just kind of go at the little leftover bumps that you got, and it should make it disappear. Same if you still find some flyaways and stuff. Very easy to get rid of with this brush, and it makes it look so smooth and nice, and you don't have to worry about that, especially right here next to your ears. To the other side. And you also want to make sure that the back is also well done, because you don't want to make the back look like there's flyaways or anything like that either. And there, that should be pretty flat if you ask me. So that's that. Okay, so now that we actually have our hair nice and sleek and pulled back, we're gonna start taking the hair out of this package. So this is how long it is right now, and imagine this being like this much longer. It was literally going down to my butt, and I was like sitting on it, and it didn't look that realistic, because I find when it's too long it just doesn't look the greatest, in my opinion. I mean, if you love long hair, then go ahead, do that, but I didn't. So anyways, I'm gonna take the paddle brush and I'm just gonna brush out the hair, make sure there's no tangles or anything in it. The way that my hairpiece goes is that there's two on the inside, there's two of these little pick things. I don't know if you can see properly, and there's a kind of like an elastic band with a hold so you can tighten it or loosen it or whatever. So what you're going to do is put this over the bun that you made and put these little clips on the inside of the bun like a bobby pin, and then when you're done that, you're going to pull as tight as you can with the rubber band. So let's begin. So I'm gonna try the best of my ability to kind of show you guys. Remember, I'm not really doing this with any mirror or anything. So you're gonna take it, put it over the bun, take the pin and put it inside the bun that you made, grab the elastic, pull on it, and make it as tight as you can. Make sure that the pins are securely inside of the bun, and then you should have something that looks like this. I'm just gonna brush the bottom because it kind of got tangled a little bit. And this is what it should look like at this point. Now this part is completely up to you. You can stop here, or you can do edges, in which that's what I'm going to do. So what you want to do with that So what you want to do for that is you grab your little toothbrush looking thing with your gel, and we're just gonna lay those baby hairs and make them super cute. I'm kind of gonna look in the mirror for this because I have a mirror down here, but okay, I don't know if you guys can still see. Okay, so I'm just gonna start by finding my baby hairs. So there's some here, here. Remember, I have the gel on the brush. So I'm just finding the baby hairs, and then I will be styling them afterwards. Okay, so that's pretty much enough baby hairs for me for right now. So I'm gonna split this into 2 sections, like that, and then I'm gonna start by grabbing my finger and flipping the brush back. Like you're kind of doing a rainbow, I guess. If that makes any sense. Okay, so it should look like that. And then I'm gonna take some more gel and I'm gonna start on the next section. So I'm gonna section off here. And then I'm gonna start scooping it, making kind of like a rainbow effect here, like that. Okay, and we're just gonna continue this process all the way down the hairline. So grab the hair and kind of like a rainbow. That's like the best I can describe it. So now I have little hairs here. So what I like to do is grab the gel and then just carefully take the hair out. And then use my fingers and kind of spin it so it creates like a small little curl. Like that. So that's the first section. Next section is the other side. So grab some more gel and we're gonna do the exact same thing, kind of doing like a rainbow motion. Does that make sense? I don't know if I'm explaining this correctly, but that's just how I can describe it. So rainbow motion. Keep going until you actually like how it looks. So if you don't like how it looks, the gel is really easy to maneuver. Just don't wait obviously till it's completely dry, because then it'd be hard to style. But besides that, that's the next section, and then you're gonna move on to the last section right here. So I usually like to do like 3 sections, 3 waves I guess you can say, on each side of my head. So 1, 2, and 3, and then just grab the little hairs here, I guess you can call it the sideburn part, I don't know, and kind of just make it curl. Like that. So this is the final look. Let me just spin around for you guys. Anyways guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it helped you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers and I'm super thankful. But at the end of February, I'm hoping that I get over 1,000 subscribers. So let's work together, let's hit that mark. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this hairstyle, if you guys want more hairstyles. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.